Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sagar Info Mode. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Android mobile device problems. How to fix some issues, some critical issues of your mobile devices. Okay, I am telling about only fixing of software problem only, not any hardware problem. Okay, sometimes what happen means your fingerprint sensor is not working. Sometimes your phone is hanging and lagging while playing games like PUBG and all. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to fix all these problems. Okay, you need to open up the Play Store and search for repair system. You need to find one application called repair system. This is a application repair system fix Android problems and battery saver. This is the best ever application friends to save your battery life also and fix your Android mobile issues. Okay, I have already downloaded. You have to download it. Okay, this is a logo icon. Just click simply to open it. So as you can see, I have a 24 GB of internal storage and 19 GB is full, so 78% is free. So device, I have 4 GB of RAM and 61% of RAM gets full. Okay, so how to free it? Okay, first we will fix the mobile issue. So as you can see the button called repair, you just simply click on the, okay, sorry friends, just go back. Okay, just simply click on repair. So as you can see the scanning system or system is scanning and finding some any issues which harm to your Android devices and find the malware also, viruses also, and some most, and today some phishing is also done. And as you can see these are the applications which are scanning now, the Google, Truecaller, and some Shazam, Vlogit. As you can see all the applications which I have installed in my Android device which all are scanning now. Okay, this application find which application have viruses and some Trojan virus including in it. Amazon, New Pipe, search engine, Echo, Camera, all these applications are scanned. This application not only scan the apps which have installed, it will scan all, what I say, it scan the packages also, internal files and unwanted files and some empty folders also. It will find each and everything which can harm to your devices. So first it will detect the problems, then it is trying to fix the problems which have been occur. Okay, you can see almost done. You can see the first one fixing system and remedy boot, and third one fixing file system. If your file system in your Android device get corrupted because of some applications or harmful apps which you have installed from the unauthorized server, it is fixing all these things. So remedy boot is fixed. This means your phone gets boot up very fastly, and remaining all these things are going progress. Okay, as you can see the fixing system is also done. Fixing system means it is fixing the Android issues which you have faced in your devices. Like me, I am facing one issue called hardware issue. I am facing in my mobile Lenovo Vibe K5 Note. My fingerprint sensor is not working, So I have to use my pattern lock only to unlock my Android device. So I will see after scanning all these things whether my fingerprint sensor is working properly or not. So it is successfully finished. It is telling repair system. Oh, okay, please restart. Repair completed, please restart your phone. So I will restart my phone later. Just simply click on to the continue and go back. As you can see, these are the information of our device. After that, free up your RAM, 62% full of RAM. So just simply click on the boot to free up your RAM. So freeing your RAM will improve your phone performance. Your phone never be hang or lagging while playing the games if you free your mobile RAM. So as you can see, 3.7 GB of RAM I have installed in my mobile, 4 GB totally. So 1.37 GB is occupied by this following apps. So just simply click on optimize. So you can see some rocket is going up. So previously my mobile 62%, now you can see friends, now 49% means half of the RAM gets free. So this is a method you can repair your Android mobile issues and save your battery and free your RAM. And there are the some free battery saver only. Okay, okay, that's it friend.